Hello, good morning everyone. This is Suzuki Wagner, and today we have opened the engine, and right now we are doing this is our engine block, and we are making face. And show me this piece. We are using this piece of silicon carbide, which is used for sharpening, like a knife, scissors and all you have seen at home or any workshop. We use for sharpening our knife and scissors, and for this we are making this surface in a uniform way. Right now it is ununiform, so we are making it uniform so that there should not be any leakage or there should not be any mismatch. For that we are using this block. So I'll show you how we are using this block. Why we are using silicon carbide? Because we can use sandpaper also, but we cannot get a smooth surface, but with this we can get quite a smooth surface. And we are using this piece of glass also. This is completely glass, and we are using this also for rubbing it and making a smooth surface. So let me clean it, then I'll show you. This is transparent glass, it's like window glass only, and it's now quite dirty. Let me clean it, then I'll show you. We are cleaning this glass using petrol, and I'll show you. This is actually transparent glass. It becomes so dirty, which become opaque. So we used petrol for making it clean. We are not using water or any diesel or anything. So now you can see that this is complete transparent glass. It's like window or window size. So we'll use this for rubbing this block. So let me show you how we do. We use little bit of wax. This is wax pole, grinding paste. This is for grinding paste. So I'll show you one second. This is for wall grinding paste. We use this on top of this our glass sheet, and then we will use for rubbing it. So what we'll do, we paste it on top of this glass, and now we will tilt this in this position where we want to rub this. So we use, carry on. This is quite hectic and tedious process, then the result will be fabulous. So it takes time to make the surface flat and buffed. See, this is the unwanted thing, it's coming out. This is unwanted piece, it's coming out. See, you can see that now the surface is quite smooth. Now we'll show you after wiping it how we do. We do this process unless we find this desirable output. It takes around 15 minutes or 20 minutes unless we get our desired surface. So we will be continuing this process until this blackened surface. You can see this is still black. Just remove this. This surface should match this. The surface should be uniform like this. Still it did not reach this level, so it will take quite time. unless we get this level of this matching with this this level, then we'll end this process. See, still we did not reach this, so unless until we reach this, we will continue this rubbing part. So still the black cane, you can see that still it's black, so we will continue this and let's see how long it takes. So we are changing now the position. Before we were doing right to left, we were moving from our right side to left side. Now we have changed the position, we will go from left to right, so that if any mismatch is there, it will be properly smooth. So let's continue. For that we use the same process. We used our this wax pole, grinding paste and the glass. We'll continue the same process from the left to right side. Before you have seen we are doing from right to left, but now we are doing left to right.